Auckland Zoo is helping Samoan conservationists in a last-ditch effort to save the island nation's national bird from extinction. The Manumea is the closest living relative to the extinct dodo. Our Pacific correspondent Barbara Drever reports from Samoa.
Finding Samoa's national bird is a near impossible task. It's known to hide out on the remote northeast coast of Upolu. While its image is on every 20-tala bill, in reality it's rarely seen, fighting for survival.
If we don't do enough to protect it, then we'll lose it. We lose it from Samoa and we lose it from the whole world.
There are, people say, they estimate there's less than 300, there could well be less than 150 left, and they know so little about it that it's really going to be touch and go as to whether the Manumea can be saved.
Local conservationists have launched a campaign to save the bird, also known as the little dodo. They're here in Waikato, talking with the local community. That's because villagers have killed the Manumea by accident, mistaking it for the common pigeon, a local delicacy. While there's a ban on hunting pigeons, it's widely ignored.
Yes, it is very difficult, but the law is the law.
The government has put in place a raft of different conservation initiatives in the area, not just to protect the Manumea, but the environment it lives in.
The commitment from the village council and representing the members of this community is amazing.
Auckland Zoo has joined in the effort with a rat eradication program.
There are 100,000 people in Auckland that identify themselves as of Samoan descent, so a big part of their community is also our community. So it's right that Auckland Zoo should try to save Pacific wildlife and save Samoan wildlife.
It's believed the initiatives are making a difference. There have been some recent sightings.
So that was a good news for the community. Seeing the Manumea around, that means that we still have the bird.
For how long depends on the people tasked with protecting it. Barbara Drever, One News.